Individuals, families, and businesses all could benefit from working alongside a community credit union. Today, let's specifically talk businesses. Today, Members First is sponsoring this segment to offer financial freedom to businesses by taking advantage of products and services provided by Members First. Mike Wilson is here. Mike, there are so many ways that Members First can help businesses. You're specifically going to talk about certificates to start off. First of all, what are those?
Yeah, that's a great question. And I know we were on a couple of weeks ago talking about this for individuals and consumers, but you know, it's no secret we're in some pretty uncertain times, a rising rate environment, and sometimes people just don't know what to do and how to build their savings. So certificates are a great way to be able to do that. And it's not just for individuals, it's also for businesses and business owners. So basically what happens is you deposit a certain amount of funds into an account for a fixed amount of time, and your money earns money with an annual percentage yield based on the terms of that deposit in the fixed amount of time.
Then what should business owners and entrepreneurs also need to know about certificates and really the impact they can have on their bottom line?
Yeah, so you know, again, in volatile times, you know, if you're looking for something a little bit more conservative and safe as you try to figure everything out, if you just need to grow your savings or if you have certain goals for your business to achieve, the key word with what we offer at Members First is flexibility. So no matter what a business circumstance are, there are options available for any business. So if you're looking for a higher rate, we have that. If you're looking for shorter term, we have that. If something comes up and you need to withdraw your funds immediately, you can do that with no penalty. Or if the rate goes up, we have something called a bump up, which means that you wouldn't miss out on a higher rate, which is pretty fantastic.
So talk more about that. It's not a one size fits all. There definitely are those different options.
Definitely different options. And you know, we have what we refer to as a concierge team. We've talked about it on Good Day PA many times. And you don't have to be an expert in these things. You've got a couple of options. So our website's a great tool. You could research everything. You could pop into any one of our 60 branches, or our concierge can come to you, learn your business, figure out how to help, and then walk you through the best ways to meet your goals.
Okay, so certificates are one way you can help, but beyond those, how else can Members First help businesses really build their savings?
Yeah, well, when you're a business owner, you're wearing a million different hats. So you're the COO, you're the CFO, you're the marketer, you know, you're everything. You don't have time really to think about all these things. So that's our job. And we can help not only with programs like the certificates that we just mentioned, but you know, we've got a great cashback Visa program for expenses that businesses have anyway. We have cash management solutions to be able to help businesses. We also have insurance, commercial lines of credit. I mean, there's so many different ways that we can help business owners, and it's really a wonderful thing.
That is a really wonderful thing. So you've been helping businesses, I mean, throughout the community, year after year. Explain how a business becomes a member.
Very easily. So you could, I always like to say you could click, call, or come in. So if you want to explore it on our website, you know, it can walk you through the process, tell you everything that you would need. Pop into any branch. Our folks would love to see you. Or we will send a concierge to you, and they'll just walk you through. Here's what you need. Here's what we have. And they can get you going with anything at any time.
You will actually send a concierge out?
Yes.
Make like a house call.
Absolutely. Business owners are busy. They need to run their business. So if we can send someone to you, we're happy to do it, and you could just focus on running your business.
Wow, that's unheard of right now, I think. Thank you so much, Mike. Good to have you with us
Always
as always.
Great to be here.